Hi guys, welcome back to another video. See Lucky Games there. Right, we've come to have a look at this the square where all the nightclubs are. See how far they've got on that. Do seem to be getting on with it fairly quick. I've pulled all the tiles off from around the trees, pulled all the seating out, and the ones off the floor. These are all going to be replaced. I think it's going to look something like down on Pontietta, so I've been told. And they've done the slabs down there. You'll have to wait and see. I don't know how long this job is going to take. Whether it's going to be a couple of months or 6 months. I think they will be wanting to get it back sorted before everybody comes back over though. Maybe they left you a little bit late to start on it, I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. So I've taken all the tiles off 3/4 of it and left a little path up the side where you can walk up. And they've done the first bit up towards Champions and then the second bit over towards Sinatra's. I've already done a video on this when they first started. Days ago. I'll keep it updated while they're doing the work. Right across the road there. There's all the tiles and the seating, all going to be renewed now. Looks like the palm trees are stopping. There'll be the old seating there. I think it was time it was renewed. Really posh after it's been done. I think we caught them on their lunch break. It was all nice and quiet for filming. There's the lorries that are taking it all away. Don't know if they're going to do the drains up this end. It looks like they are. Get the drain system working a bit better. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy me a beer for making the videos, PayPal link underneath. It's day and night there. I've not really been open a lot since lockdown. I think they did open up for a few weeks and then decided it just wasn't worthwhile. So there we go. I'll have a look down the bottom in a minute. Here we are down the bottom. You can see the pipes there that are going in. I don't know what the plans are for down here. They were going to extend it. So I don't know if they're going to take this road out and tile straight over here. In front of Chaplin's here. Have to wait and see, I think. They are digging up the bottom of the road there. See the digger. I think that's just putting the new pipes in. Yeah, I think we caught them all on a bit of a break. Wasn't much noise when we were filming. Find out, see if I can find out when it's all going to be done by. Taped off there. A little bit strange though. Means you have to walk out a bit further to walk round it. There's where I think they've put the pipes in already. Doing a lot in work in Benidorm at the moment. The new paths and stuff. Okay guys.